Body of 62-year-old man found with head partially severe in Trelawney. Criminals out of control. h0t h0t gunned down in Manchester. Man fatally shot during attempt robbery of taxi in Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The decomposing body of a 62-year-old man, said to be a returning resident, was found in Falmouth, Trelawney on Friday. Police have identified the deceased as Norman White, otherwise called Andre, also of Maxfield Heights. Reports are that White was also residing in Canada. Reports are that citizens from the Maxfield Heights section of the parish found White's body inside his house and alerted the police. When the lawmen arrived, White was seen with his hands bound and his head partially severed. The body was removed from the scene. A 29-year-old farmer and Tyler, who was the 2022 Prime Minister's Youth Awardee for Excellence in Agriculture, was shot and killed by gunmen. The man, C.J. Cunningham, of Chantilly District in Manchester, was gunned down while carrying out a tiling project with a group of men in the parish. News of the death has sent shockwaves across the parish. Reports are that about 6 p.m., Cunningham, also called Collar, was among a group of men at a house doing tiling when gunmen approached and opened fire at members of the group. Cunningham and another man were hit and taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The other man has been admitted in stable condition. A man who attempted to rob a taxi driver and passengers in Clarendon Friday night was disarmed by the cabbie and fatally shot during a struggle. The deceased has been identified as 24-year-old laborer Bobby Bruce of Fraser Content in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. More details to come following further investigations.